Oh my god, guys, you won't believe I went to TKMAXX. Bling, 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 bling. You know exactly, if I am at TKMAXX, I will not go home left-handed. However, I never thought that it's going to be an extravagant shopping. No, not shopping. I didn't even plan it. I'm just like a couple of minutes away from the city center, and right at my doorstep, like a couple of meters away from me, is TKMAXX. So I wasn't even sure if it is an advantage for myself or is it a disadvantage for my pocket. You know what I mean? Okay, now I am very excited because I went there. Like every time I go there, it's like I wanted to go for a walk, and my husband's like, go for a walk where? I was like, to the mall. Like, I don't think you are going for a walk to the mall though. Why don't you go to the forest? No, I wanted to go to the mall because it will like release my stress. And so he just laughed at me, and yeah, go ahead and pamper yourself every time I go there. But okay, so I got this one Huda Beauty lipstick. Not just one, not just two, not just three, but four. Four, guys. Four Huda Beauty product, okay? So let me show you one by one what are this. First is this lip tint. I have never tried any of the Huda product, but I have heard good things about it. So as a vlogger, as a beauty blogger, you also wanted to try them, but you just don't want to spend so much. And yeah, so this is the Lipstrobe, and it is for 19 euro. Guys, can you see that? 19 euros and 95 cents, but they just sold it for 8 euros and 99 cents. Now I know these are not the trendy and the up-to-date product. However, yeah, why not? I got it for less than half of the price that they're selling it, and yeah, it's a good deal for me. And after all, I don't necessarily want to have like the latest product in the beauty industry or even in the fashion industry. All I know is that if I want that, and I will be trying that a couple of times again, and I think I would appreciate it much better than those who can really afford to buy them. Yeah, it's just too expensive to buy those stuffs. And so TKMAXX is a very good alternative in my case. Let me give this one a try. Oh my goodness, this is so creamy, guys. I tell you, to those of you who have not tried this, very creamy. It smells decent, like butter something. I don't know, it's like food in your mouth. Okay, let me just fix that and we shall proceed with the next item. It's not Read My Lips, it's Huda My Lips, my dear. Next is, I'm gonna show you one by one, okay? Or should I show you both? Maybe I should show you both. This is the Huda Beauty Amethyst Obsession, and this one Huda Beauty Emerald Obsession. I think she renamed some of the product right now. Brown Obsession, Caramel Obsession, you see that. But I like what I've said, even though these are not up-to-date items, still it is still considered to be a good buy. The price of each item, guys, it's 30 euros, and I only got it for 12 euros and 99 cents each. So let me unpack that for you. And this one also, can't hide my excitement. This is the Huda Beauty eye palette, Amethyst Obsession, and this one is Emerald Obsession. Now let me show you the inside of it. You will be surprised. Look at that. This is like into purple violet eyeshadow palette, and it has a very big mirror in here. You could bring it with you anywhere. And also this one, see that? I should have worn this because it fits into my outfit right now. Look how pretty that is. And I like it because it's travel size, so if I really wanted to bring this one with me or this one, I think it's very, very nice. Now I must say that I will not try to swipe it or to swatch it because I'm going to make a separate video for that, and I hope that the outcome would be amazing. But for the lip product, I think it is okay to give this one a try in front of you. And lastly, because I told you I got 4 items, you won't believe this one. A Huda Beauty palette, Desert Dusk palette. Can you see it? It's a desert coming to your waist. Oh my goodness. And I have not even like seen everything because when I went there at the counter, because you're not allowed to open it, it was even sealed in a plastic thing with like volt in it, so people will not gonna mess it up. And yeah, it is originally for 65 euros approximately, 64.99, and I only got it for 29.99, guys. I can't believe how much I got it for. Now you see that? Look how beautiful that is, and my eyes is also pretty. I think I won the lottery. It feels like I won the lottery. Oh my god, look at that. It's reflective. It is yeah, it feels very elegant also. The imprint, you could feel it. Like if you go over it, you could feel the imprint. Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. Now I am to warm tone, and I think I would love this. Let's open that up, and there is also a very big mirror, guys. Can you see that? And it says on the mirror, I will not show you though because otherwise you will see the entire background. It will ruin the mood. It says Huda Beauty palette with some yeah, I don't know, some plastic protector on it, sticker. And this one, look at this. You could also fold it all the way back, and this one, it is like a plastic protector. This is the first time I have actually seen it though, because mostly people are just putting like a plastic cover or protector on top of the product so that it will not be ruined, but Huda makes it a little bit more and putting it like putting her eyes on top of the plastic monogram. And these are the color, guys. Look how vibrant are they. There's glitter, there's, I think there's pearl, there's reflective color, there's mattes, and again, like if you are into warm tone, this is perfect. I love it a lot, and we are going to give this one a try in my next vlog. I can't wait to do that with you. Today, like today, I have vlogged so many videos just for you guys, and I think I'm gonna do it in a separate video. I am looking forward to do that with you, and I just couldn't wait to give this one a try. I am totally amazed how it looks, and especially that this is the first time that I have had a, so to say, a high-end eyeshadow palette, and yet even though it is not like the up-to-date product, still I am looking forward to use them, to wear them, yeah, and show it to the world how pretty it is. Even though I have not tried it, I have a good feeling that it is pretty. Ah! Oh my god! Oh my god, I can't hide my excitement. Oh my god.